Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, let's talk about one more frequently asked question in DevOps and Linux interviews. So here the question is, how do you check open ports in Linux? So when it comes to open ports, remember this is one of the must-know question for every DevOps engineer and a system administrator. So let's get started. First, let's understand what exactly the open port. So when it comes to the open port, we can say open port, it's like a service or it's a process in the Linux. So where it will actively listening for incoming network connections. And most of the times, so we will check open port. So for verifying, so whether the service like SSH or Apache or, a MySQL is running or not. And you can also open port command to perform security audits, and you can also use open port command for troubleshooting and as well as connectivity issues also. And the easiest and most direct way to check the open ports in Linux is, so we are going to use a netstat, so hyphen a tupln command. First, let's understand what exactly the tupln. So here the T stands for a TCP ports, and U stands for it will show all the UDP ports, and the P stands for it will show the process name and as well as the process ID also. So when it comes to the L it will show the listening ports, and the N it will show the numeric values instead of names. So if you want to execute this command, so first navigate to the AWS console management and just launch one Linux server and just connect as a root user. And just type the command netstat hyphen tupln. So when you click enter, if you observe the output here, so it is showing the local address and as well as the PID and the program name. So this local address, it will show which port is open. And when it comes to the PID, there's a process ID. It will tells you which process is listening on that particular port. So that is what a local address and as well as a PID. Sometimes you will get command not found also. So in that case, the netstat tool is not installed in the Linux server. So in that case, you can install nettools, and after that you can execute this command. And by the way, if you're using the newest Linux system like Ubuntu, a latest version, so you can use one alternate command also. The command is ss-tupln command. So click enter. So it will also show the local address with respect to the ports, and it will also show the process ID and the process name also. Remember, so SS is faster than the netstat, but netstat command, it is one of the widely and a most used commands in the Linux. So that's how you can check open ports in Linux by using both the netstat and as well as SS command. So if you found this video helpful, so please like and share it with your friends and subscribe for more DevOps interview Linux questions. So thanks for watching and see you all in the next one.